Hello, friends. I'm Captain Coco. Let's go on an L adventure together. Look, L is for lion. Let's say hello. L is for ladybug. Follow it to see where it goes. The ladybug is flying to a leaf. L is for leaf. L is for lemon. Wow, it just dropped down. Yay! We learned lion, ladybug, leaf, and lemon. See you next time. Let's go on an M adventure. Wow, that's a big mountain. M, mountain.
Hey, Coco!
Hi, monkey. You scared me. M is for monkey.
Come play with me.
Wow, so many mangoes. M for mango.
Wait here. I'll get one for you.
Thank you, monkey. It smells so sweet.
Let's eat together tonight.
Look, monkey, the moon. M for moon. Mountain, monkey, mango, moon. I love M.
Good night, Coco.
Good morning. Something special is waiting for me today. I smell something yummy.
Here, Captain Coco, try my golden nut.
Yummy. N is for nut. Look, a nest. N for nest. Oh, the bird is home again.
I lost my shiny needle last night. I can't fix my net anymore.
Don't be sad. Spider. Look, what I found. N for needle and net. Let's fix your net together.
Thank you, Coco. You're so kind.
N for nut, nest, net, and needle. What a nice N adventure. Tomorrow, I'll explore something that begins with the letter O. O, an owl. O for owl. Wow, an orange just fell down. O for orange.
Follow me, Captain Coco.
Wow, O for ocean.
Hi there. I lost my shiny oyster shell. Can you help me find it?
Of course. Let's look together. O for octopus and oyster. Here it is, your oyster. O stands for owl. Orange, ocean, octopus, and oyster. Hello, friends. I'm Captain Coco. Wow, a big letter P. I wonder what it means. Let's go explore. Hi, penguin. What are you drawing?
I'm trying to draw my favorite food, but my pencil broke.
Don't worry. I'll help you find a new pencil. Wow, a magic pencil. P for penguin and pencil.
Try drawing something with it.
Wow, pizza. My favorite P food.
P for parrot. P for pizza. P for perfect.
Wow, that's amazing. P is for penguin, pencil, parrot, and pizza.